Are you looking for the best smartwatch for a cheap price? Well, today we're gonna dive deep into the 5 best budget smartwatches in 2025. Whether you're looking to track workouts, take calls on the go, or just want a stylish watch without blowing your budget, this video is for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Huawei Watch Fit Special Edition, our pick for the best budget fitness-focused smartwatch. For anyone looking to track their health and workouts without spending a fortune, this one hits the mark. It's incredibly lightweight at just 21 grams, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The standout feature is its sharp 1.64-inch AMOLED display, which stays bright and colorful even in direct sunlight. With over 100 workout modes, including some fun ones like esports and basketball, this is more than just your average step counter. The built-in GPS lets you track your runs or bike rides without carrying your phone, and the health features cover all the essentials such as heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep tracking. You also get 10 days of battery life on typical use, and a quick 5-minute charge gives you an extra full day. While it's not the most advanced smartwatch on the list, it offers incredible value for fitness-focused users who want a slim, reliable device with a premium feel at a very reasonable price. Coming in at number 4, we have the Motorola Moto Watch 70, our pick for the best entry-level smartwatch. If you're after a reliable, no-nonsense device that covers all the basics, this one gets the job done. It features a 1.69-inch square display that's large, responsive, and readable. The metal case and comfortable silicone strap give it a solid build that feels more premium than most watches in its price bracket. The Moto Watch 70 delivers dependable performance across all the essential functions, such as sleep tracking, step counting, and activity monitoring all work consistently. You can personalize it with a wide range of watch faces, including the option to use your own photos. While it lacks features like GPS or advanced health sensors, what it does offer is stability and ease of use without the typical lag or glitchiness seen in cheaper models. Usually priced between $80 and $100, this is a great choice if you're new to smartwatches and just want something simple, stylish, and functional that works right out of the box. Next at number 3, we have the restored Amazfit Bip U Pro, our pick for the best value refurbished smartwatch. Now don't sleep on this one just because it's not brand new. Amazfit's Bip U Pro was already a great value when it first launched, and going with a restored model brings that value to the next level. It sports a 1.43-inch color display that's surprisingly clear, even in sunlight, with built-in GPS, blood oxygen tracking, heart rate monitoring, and over 60 sport modes make this a legit fitness companion. What really stands out is its 9-day battery life, which outlast most budget competitors by a wide margin. The 5 ATM water resistance means you can take it for a swim with confidence, and the restored units typically sell between $45 and $65, offering flagship-level features for the cost of a dinner out. If you're okay with a slightly older design and don't need the absolute latest features, this is hands down one of the smartest buys on this list. Sliding into number 2, we have the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, our pick for the best all-around budget smartwatch. Retailing for around $70, this watch offers a massive amount of value with its full built-in GPS system and upgraded 1.69-inch color display. The design is sleek and the interface is intuitive, making it feel more premium than its price tag suggests. What makes this watch shine is how well it balances performance and usability. You get accurate GPS tracking, reliable heart rate, and blood oxygen monitoring, sleep analysis, stress insights, and over 60 sport modes. It's like having a mini health hub on your wrist. Battery life is phenomenal at up to 14 days, which means no daily charging stress, and Amazfit's companion app has matured nicely, giving you a clean dashboard of your stats. This is the smartwatch for people who want solid all-around performance with modern features in a stylish package, without spending a penny more than necessary. Finally at number 1, we have the CMF Watch Pro 2, our pick for the best budget smartwatch overall. This watch honestly punches way above its weight. For just $69, you're getting features that rival devices 2 to 3 times the price. It comes with a 1.32-inch AMOLED display boasting a sharp 466 by 466 resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and 620 nits brightness, making it crisp and vibrant in any lighting. But the real showstopper is the Bluetooth calling with AI noise reduction, which lets you take calls straight from your wrist and actually be heard clearly. And with the built-in GPS, over 100 customizable watch faces, and comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and sports modes, which makes it feel like a premium device. The 11-day battery life is no joke either. This isn't just a good watch for the price, it's a genuinely great smartwatch. Whether you're into fitness, productivity, or just want a clean, stylish device with real-world features, the CMF Watch Pro 2 delivers in every category.